Hello, good morning. Good morning, fam. Wherever you are, I'm saluting you right now. I'm in the studios of Drone Ghana Pro Shop. Yeah, Drone Ghana Pro inside La Paz. Yeah, it's one of the best and finest drone piloting company in Ghana. When you want projects on your drone footages and you want professionalism at its best, look no further than Drone Ghana Pro. Yeah, a very beautiful office, a suite inside La Paz. It has all the services in a professional way. It has all the gadgets, state-of-the-art gadgets. It has worked for the likes of Koju Entry, all them favorite stars in Ghana. Yeah, as you can see all is state-of-the-art equipment for drone piloting. Yeah, if you want best drone for your services, look no further than Drone Ghana Pro. 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 All your favorite artists in Ghana. All your favorite artists in Ghana. He has worked for all of them before. All your favorite artists in Ghana. The likes of Kidi, the likes of Chiamu Kwame, all them favorite stars in Ghana. Raskuku in the house, all Obrafo, legend Obrafo, all them favorite stars. He has worked with all of them before. So look no further than Drone Pro Ghana, Drone Ghana Pro, one of the best. Drone Ghana Pro, one of the best, finest. Yeah, that's your man. Very hardworking and dedicated, very honest, and very committed to professionalism. Yeah, we're looking for that beautiful service on your drone pilot, on your weddings, on your engagement, or your parties, on your launching. Yeah, the best. Drone Ghana Pro, the best and finest. All your favorite artists. He has worked for all of them before. All your favorite artists. All your favorite artists in Ghana. All your favorite artists in Ghana. All of them. He has worked for them before. So look no further. Drone Ghana Pro. Drone Ghana Pro, the finest. Yeah, are the goods in the studios. You don't know. Straight up, big up yourself, everybody. Salute.